Okay. So USN one Abhishek still. Okay. Adish, can you? I'll stop the presentation. Yeah. Can you connect Adish?
Yes, ma'am. I'll share the PPT.
Yeah. And then regarding the entries for in the internship portal,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
entries are done as for yesterday.
I only have one day, which is 9th, ma'am. Other than that, rest all are done.
Rest all are done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll just
Yeah,
share.
because they'll issue the internship certificate only when the 90 days are completed. Please track it.
Yes, ma'am. So currently 59 days based on tracking, because we do not have any work on Sundays.
Okay. So, but how are you going to manage? This is for all of them who are connected on the call. If it is not crossing by 20th, I think so. The circular, just a minute, I'll tell what are the dates when you will have the exam. Purnima, what? 11th. Seventh semester exams are going to get over by 19th of June. So maybe in your examination might be scheduled every thing might be there between uh, 25th to 1st. Sir, pick le lete.
Ma'am, 25th what? 25th June or
25th May only.
25th May? Okay.
So you make sure that 90 days are completed. You ask them, can you they add this one? If they could add the number of days on Saturdays and other holidays, so that you can make the relevant changes. You can have the number of days for 90 days, maybe by yeah, by mid of this one, maybe by mid of May. But make sure you finish it by mid of May. All the things are over. Okay. So we'll start the presentation.
Yes, ma'am. I'll share screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it visible now?
Yeah, I'll just connect it with this one. Start. Yeah. Yes, yes, start.
What should I be speaking about in general, ma'am? Regarding the whole internship, whatever.
Yeah, yeah. Whatever you have done and what are the tools and other things, whatever you have done, based on those things.
Okay. Okay. So the
Maybe a
internship.
normal kind of an presentation where we will be uh, how we will be doing it generally for project and things like that. No, for similar kind.
Okay. Okay. So good morning, everybody. So myself Adish. So for the internship, I've joined Supermentor in the domain artificial intelligence and cloud computing. So this, the main contents are just about the companies and all the work done. So this is the introduction of the company. Just startup incorporated in July, and they offer multiple guidance, mentorships with multiple hands-on experiences. So the objective of joining this internship was to get a hands-on exposure to AI and to cloud computing. The technologies that were mainly used here were Python to apply multiple ML algorithms, NLP practices, few CV, OpenCV techniques, and then using the help of multiple AIs like ChatGPT or Claude to solve the day-to-day problems. So the work done is started from 2nd February, where they have just given an overview of how the internship whole process is going to be. So first they have started first of half month of February. It was completely dwelt upon the basics of Python, starting from say like what are the each data types used, how the input is taken, how do we print out the output, and to ensure that we deeply understand it, there were few assignments given. So some of the assignments included how to take input and then using if and else statements given if a user inputs this input what should the output be, and then using few data structures say like using dictionaries, creating like a custom like library sort of thing where if I'm searching for a book, if it's there I display the result, if it is not I display another kind of result. And then later we moved on to completely based on NumPy. For as they have, it was been mentioned that NumPy is a best for large processing due to its fast vector optimizations. So this was done with the help of NumPy and few other libraries for Matplotlib, Seaborn, where they taught us how to visualize data and how do we manage and handle CSV and Excel files. And then later, once we have got a understanding of it, they have talked about the fundamentals, the basics ones, and few algorithms, say like linear regression, KNN algorithms, logistic regressions, and few other algorithms. And then after they have talked about the internship, they have talked about how do we improve it and what are the caveats that we might face, such as few issues of underfitting, overfitting, and then what are the best cases to use the clusters, how many clusters to keep, all those are done. And then once we have done that, they have come to jump to the NLP process, where they talked about how does any LLM model currently, how do they understand the text or we give with the help of tokenization and few other technologies. And then they have talked about the one of the most important things, which is Git and GitHub basics, where they talked about just how do we create a repo, push any repo, and then how do we create branches and all the few stuffs. And then later they have talked about how ChatGPT works, how any large language model works, and they have talked just a few little bit details of how prompt engineering works and why giving a good prompt is important for us. And then NLP based mini project was given to us, where they're just using completely Python. It was, they told us how to analyze a resume. So it was just like, say I'm giving a custom job description and then I'm uploading a resume, and then using topics like tokenization and TF-IDF and few other topics, I'm analyzing how good is the resume to the job description. And then regarding CV, they have just talked about the basics of how everything works, how does it view images through the help of pixels. And then later they have just talked about the major project to be done, but still the topics have been given, but then the allocation is still yet to be done. And then technical learnings, it just helped us understand, say like basic knowledge of data science and ML, just a few basic understanding, and so that we can just dwell more upon in the future. Same thing for NLP and computer vision. So deliverables and outcomes were just mainly about having a base understanding of all the different types of ML algorithms and when to use what and what tool to use based on when any issue occurs. Say when do we use, what type of data structure do we use for processing data and all those. These were some of the tools and technologies that were used. As the main coding during the sessions was done with the help of Jupyter Notebook, but then even VS Code was used for later few projects. These are some of the challenges faced, as sometimes building complete end-to-end tends to be slightly difficult. And then the solution for that was, they told us how we can break each of it into smaller parts and solve it incrementally rather than everything at the same time. And then how to handle any small Python errors. So how to Google any kind of error when it occurs. Yeah. So these were the skills gained, where we just understood the basics of how everything works, so that if we have any questions, say doubt, we can read about it and then not be completely shocked or like not having any idea about it. And the conclusion was, it will help in the future for when we do any research on our own. Yeah, that's it.
How was this training different from the theory stuff what you have learned in the curriculum, this internship training?
Yeah, so theory stuff in the curriculum, they just given the code, and then the implementation of it wasn't surely dwelled upon. But here what they have done this, so the whole structure was, for the first 10 minutes they talk what topic they're going to do, and then next 20 minutes they are going to hands-on session where they make us type the code, and then they like purposely commit an error, so that then we can see why does this error occur at this time. And then later, so that we can learn more about it, they give like a task. Say for the resume analyzer, initially they have just given text input, but then later the task given to us was make it accept a PDF input and output, so that we can view it. So this was what complete different than the curriculum wise.
Okay. I wanted to check regarding daily report is entered.
Internet, yes, ma'am. It's just
Yeah.
1 day is left for 9th of April.
Okay. So here, what is your idea on what you want to tell relevant to the relevant to Super Mentor? Any information which you want to share it to Super Mentor?
So the only information, not really anything, man, since I was completely satisfied and had no issues with it. So it it was very helpful and learning.
So any other project which you want to take it over a period of time with Super Mentor?
Currently, they have given a project for us to do, so a major project is to be done. So the details of it, they are still yet to share, talking about like when should we submit. But then, yeah, I have planned a project to be done based on these topics that they have covered.
So in NLP, any other project which they have told you to take it up, or maybe for computer vision?
No, NLP, no. So the choice was given to us. Say regarding the major project, we can either choose completely on AIML, NLP,
Ah,
or OpenCV. I have chose completely on AIML.
oh, AIML.
Yes,
So any specific application which you want to take it forward? What you are
yes,
working?
yes, ma'am. So the next project that I'm going to do on, it can be implemented in real life, so just to help this thing. So that's the project that I'm implementing now.
Okay. Rose. Okay. So related to the form what I have shared in the mail, external evaluation, that you have to take the signature from your mentor, that is the industry mentor. Ask them to write the comments, and then maybe by end of the session I will be sharing the form. Upload the PDF and hard copy. Maybe by 13th you can send it through somebody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
15th now, ma'am.
yeah, 15th
Uh,
of April.
April. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, as per the circular, because I've also attached the circular for this. So this has to be incorporated as part of your because all the documentation of all of these documents has to be uploaded on the internship portal from my side.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is only the external rubric sheet that I should be submitting on 15. So this PPT,
Before 15th, maybe once the signature is done, you can upload it in the form.
yes, ma'am.
So, and then hard copy maybe by 15th, because as and when you keep uploading all the students who are there in the call, I can keep uploading it in the portal, telling for the evaluation which is completed for 50 CI. So in this case, 25 marks is coming from the presentation for today, and then remaining 25 will be whatever the external has been evaluating and then submitting it.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ. Hello, Niranjan. Forward कर दो. अभी कुमार is there? नहीं.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ, एक मेरे को भी forward कर. Please connect it.
Yes. Ma'am, is this visible?
Yes, yes.
So, good morning, everyone. My name is Abhi Kumar Singh. I am doing an internship at MindMatrix on the domain Android app development using generative AI. So, these are the contents. So, let's start with introduction.
Yes,
so,
yes.
at MindMatrix, we started our internship on 2nd February. Like, ma'am, at the starting period, we were introduced to the website and starting onboarding was done. And this is about the company. The MindMatrix is a education-based company where they basically sell their courses. Major objective of our internship was having hands-on knowledge in Android development using Kotlin and Android Studio. Interns were expected to understand the fundamental of artificial intelligence. I'm like during the first week we were onboarded and we were introduced to the LMS site, and we were told to create our accounts on Google Developer Profile and Salesforce. After which, ma'am, we were told to install Android Studio. Ma'am, like on the LMS platform, they have two modules. They enrolled us into courses where there were basically two modules. First module was Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, where, ma'am, they told us to work on Salesforce platform. And in module 2, ma'am, they made us do work on Android app development using Kotlin. Ma'am, at the end, like we completed the first steps, and they told us to build a side project. So, ma'am, I took the side project as Smart Turf application. And this application enables user to join random turf matches and connect with other people. And tools and technologies, we were introduced to Android Studio, we were introduced to Kotlin, and, ma'am, we worked using Google Developer Code Labs on this studio. And, ma'am, and starting Salesforce was introduced to us. And the last one is MindMatrix LMS platform, ma'am, where all the progress work has been updated.
How you're working on Kotlin?
Yes, ma'am.
How is the programming language?
Ma'am, it's a bit difficult, ma'am. That's why we are using AI.
Okay. Internship diary, how many number of days completed?
Ma'am, I guess more than 57.
Like,
Because
tell the
on
exact
Saturdays
number.
and Sundays, ma'am,
Tell the exact number.
I don't know the exact number. I haven't checked.
Yeah. Can you show the diary?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does they show how many number of days entries you have done?
No, ma'am, I
No,
guess.
it will not show.
I'm sure.
Okay.
Ma'am, like even we have done work on Saturdays and Sundays, ma'am.
That
Because-
has been marked as activity, no?
Oh, yes. Ma'am, like on Saturdays we used to have meetings, ma'am.
Okay.
And on Sunday we have sessions on YouTube.
Mm-hmm. So those entries are being made.
No, ma'am, on Sundays I haven't made. Some days I haven't made, but on Saturday I have made few days.
Okay.
Like, ma'am, skills gained where Android app development, where we used to work on Android Studio. And, ma'am, like we were introduced to anti-gravity to understand all the project related work that we can do there.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah, remaining maybe by mid of May, you have to complete all the remaining days. I think the 30 more days are there. So from here on, if you count,
Yes.
we are today 13th of April. So that has to be marked.
May, middle.
Yeah. Okay. Abhishek is there? Abhishek Gowda? Abhishek USN 4? 5, 6.
Yes,
Aditya?
ma'am.
Yeah, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. I'll share my screen. Just 1 second, ma'am. Can you see? Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. I'm Aditya, and I'm currently doing an internship in Super Mentor as under artificial intelligence with cloud computing. The company is like a private, Super Mentor is a Technologies Private Limited, is a Bangalore-based tech startup which is helping us upskill in our AI in many fields, and we are choosing AI, and they are doing this by giving us real world experience, doing hands-on training, and which allows us to relate between theory and practicals. So as of now, the work done till now is they have taught us about Python itself. Again, they did a recap on Python using the multiple data types, conditional loops, everything, like a big brief introduction. And then they gave us introduction to NumPys and Pandas for the multi data structures that would be requiring for future of the future in the future. And then they also taught us about the data pre-processing and visualization in Python that is available. So we used Matplotlib and Seaborn. And then they directly went into the basics of machine learning, where they taught us the basic machine learning algorithms such as linear regression, KNN. And then a few weeks later, they gave us a bit more advanced topics such as decision trees and random forest. And between these two, we were given a lot of assignments and tasks that we had to do so that we can understand these concepts and apply it in the real world. And then we were given NLP training, where we learned about tokenization, TF-IDF, bag of words. And so this was like a jump from the machine learning to natural language processing. And then we were also given information about prompt training, how we should, prompt engineering, how we have to give the right prompts for the LLMs to understand what we want to do. And then we were also given a brief introduction of computer vision, where we were told to have an image and we had to remove the noise from it, as well as enhance it by removing noise and etc. like that. The technical learning was I understood how to use. First was the basic thing that was most important was pre-processing of data, which I was struggling before, and now I was able to understand a bit more. After pre-processing, we understood how we can do the theoretical things that we learned in our college in a practical manner. So I was able to understand how KNN can be used in a real world. Yes, and then we learned again NLP and OpenCV. I think OpenCV was a bit more interesting for me because I understood how computer vision is working, a basic understanding of it. So deliverable and outcomes was I was able to understand basic Python. Full Python mini assignments were given, projects were given, so I was able to understand Python. The real world application of machine learning models.
Before 12 it will get over. Before 12 you don't know, sir. 9 to 12 is meeting, sir.
Do you want me to continue?
11 hours can wait.
Aman Raj,
USN will come, then
please
we have
mute
to-
your
call is
mic.
going
How did you know
Just a
this?
minute.
going on, sir. They will
Aman
call
Raj.
on USN.
Yes. So yeah, I understood the theoretical concept that we learned in college. All of those that I was able to apply it practically, such as linear regressions and OpenCV. The tools and technologies that were used were Python, Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Notebook. We used Git and GitHub. These were the tools that we used as the necessity arrived. Some of the challenges were data pre-processing, such as like we lost data, inconsistent data, missing data. So how we had to clean it, how we had to pre-process it. Then debugging errors, as in any programming language. and one of the other ones was limited experience in building AI projects. So we gained a bit more exposure, I would say, in doing these tasks and assignments. So the skills gained, I would say I got a bit more visual or a bit more insight into computer vision and how that is used in AI. And I think a bit more brush up on my fundamentals. Yeah, thank you.
This I wanted to tell. You have to upload the external form by today, and then submission of the other hard copy by Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Listen. Aishwarya, USN 7. There. 8. Akanksha. 9. Amal Surya. 10. Aman Raj. The next Anup. Here. Yes. Yes. Just a minute. Huh. I'll mute it. Students are just tell Kirti. I'll, I'll keep it in lab 1.
Is going to be online or offline?
Online only. Externals are not joining because thousands of students are there. Tell Anup, start the session. Say to me. Okay, which project did you work on? Oh, project is not evaluated. So evaluation is. So which web scraping technique did you use there? No, some package is there. To scrape directly with a simple Python, you may not be able to extract it. Okay. Just- Okay, good morning. Yeah. What about entries? Can I see your screen for diary? Can I see the? Okay. Go to your dashboard. It is your dashboard. Maybe profile. I'll check with or no pull karni. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Disconnect. 2 minutes. Give. I'll just. Principal is on call. Sir, good morning. Okay. हाँ, 3. Now I am traveling, ma'am, in train.
ಅದು ಶೀಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಡೀನ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೀನ್ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ
Next,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
you are sending.
ಸಂಗೀತ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಸರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತಾರಲ್ಲ
Anu is there.
HR.
Anusha, Arpita,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀನ್ ಸರ್
Yes, ma'am.
quickly connected.
Sure.
को बताऊं क्या
क्या बोलकर?
ये ऐसे ऐसे नंबर दे दो।
Connect.
आप ही बताओगे
नहीं, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
Is my screen visible?
Sir, he is not picking.
Hello.
Sir, good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Dean sir had called up. Sangamesh, I have told he is going along with send Dharmendra also. Oh, okay, okay. You send it to yes, sir. Okay, yeah, okay, yes. Ma'am, 4th floor, ma'am. Sangamesh को 4th floor को जाना and sir is there. Yeah, connected.
Yes, ma'am. I have connected it. Is my screen visible?
Yeah. Go from the first slide. You're directly on the skill gained.
Okay, the first slide is not visible. Give me a moment. Now?
Yeah.
What about now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, good morning, everyone. I am Arpita Viswas, and today I will be presenting my internship review on artificial intelligence with cloud computing, which I am performing at Supermentor Technologies Private Limited. And to give you a quick overview, I will walk you through my internship journey from objectives and work done to key learnings, challenges, and outcomes. So, starting with the organization, Supermentor Technologies is a Bangalore-based edtech startup that focuses on mentorship, upskilling, and practical industry exposure through internships and training programs. The main objective of this internship was to gain hands-on experience in AI and cloud computing. Specifically, I focused on building Python skills, understanding machine learning and NLP, and developing real-world projects to strengthen problem-solving abilities. Moving on to the work done, I began with Python fundamentals and gradually progressed to data science libraries like NumPy and Pandas. I also worked on data cleaning, visualization, and implemented basic machine learning models. Building on that, I explored NLP concepts such as text preprocessing, sentiment analysis, followed by advanced topics like transformers and LLMs. I developed a resume analyzer project and gained exposure to computer vision and agentic AI as well. In terms of technical learning, I developed a strong fundamental in Python and data science, including preprocessing, visualization, and applying machine learning algorithms effectively. Additionally, I gained hands-on experience in NLP techniques, working with OpenCV for computer vision tasks and understood the basics of large language models and AI agents. As a result, I completed multiple projects, including data analysis, machine learning models, and an NLP based resume analyzer, which significantly improved my understanding and confidence. So, throughout this internship, I used tools like Python, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, Git, and libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, and OpenCV. And the rest of the technologies are listed here in this slide. So, like any learning process, I face challenges in understanding complex concepts and debugging code. However, consistent practice, breaking problems into smaller steps, and referring to documentation helped me overcome these problems. So, throughout this experience, I developed strong technical, analytical, and problem-solving skills along with the ability to build end-to-end AI solutions. To conclude, this internship was highly valuable experience that bridged the gap between theory and real-world application and has prepared me for future opportunities in AI and cloud computing. And that was all. Thank you. Hello.
Arpita, can you turn on your
Yes, ma'am.
camera?
My
And show
camera?
your dashboard? Yeah. Your voice looks different.
My voice.
It looks different. And then those who have joined now, please make sure that you're submitting the hard copy signed by your industry mentor by end of the day. Okay. Can you share your screen for?
Yes, ma'am. I'll share.
Hello, sir. Sangesh sir. Okay, thank you. Can you show the internship diary?
Yes, ma'am. I'll show it to you. Just a moment. Here it is.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Yes, sir. Which email, sir? Oh, okay. Sir, actually, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Who's the next one to join? There was no work on cloud, no, Arpita? Not much work on cloud?
No, ma'am. Actually, work has not been done. It has all been
But your
theoretical as of
title
now,
shows.
conceptual. As of now, it has not been done.
Uh,
Yeah, we have covered the concepts. That's all.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Those are finished, please. Aditya, Anu, Arpita, Abhi, Adish, so that let others join the session. So those have completed, please make sure that you are completing the diary entries. And that's one thing. Second thing is ask your industry mentor to make fill the marks and then submit to the upload the soft copy with the USN as the name of the file, and then hard copy has to be submitted before Wednesday. Yeah, Adish.
In the Google form that was shared, no, ma'am, later, so soft copy in that except HOD and internal guide date, we can submit, no, ma'am?
Yeah. So hard copy mein once you submit it, I'll take signature and then file it up for submission to the university.
Okay. So
Okay.
just the external guide.
Marks and then comments are mandatory. Whatever comments may be relevant to your performance or regularity, anything which they can write it down and then submit, upload the copy in the form.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Farid.
Ma'am, I have to leave for the office. Can I quickly finish my review?
Yes. Join the session.
So good morning, everyone. I'm Farid Aman. I'll be presenting about my experience at the internship at Coastal Cloud Technologies. So the things I'll be speaking on is the introduction and the internship.